looks so gross.
It was Lucy! It was Lucy! I don't know.
Okay, stop. Want to take a picture of it?
I think that's directly behind you.
Yeah, we're going over there.
You want me to go? Where are they running to?
We're starting from over there.
Huh?
But I'm not going over there. It looks like he's taking a crap or something.
I love you, Bobby. Sorry. Are you still running with the phone? Okay, stop. Okay. Good. Go.
Several $100 has been reported missing from the person.
No, want them right there or back a little bit more.
Oh.
Okay, guys. You can't get a shot of the board. Kids, the cookies are ready.
These are really good.
And then that was the last time I saw it, and I finished.
It doesn't matter if you guys talk during this because we're gonna have like music or something.
Yeah, we're gonna put music in it.
It did have a lot of money, you know.
It's understandable that you were shaking.
I don't know. Renfield. Lucy. Lucy, it was Lucy. Yes, of course. You're starting it.
Go.
Wow. Dracula's vitality really works, and it's cheap, too. Yeah. Are you so excited now? That was
Exactly.
Um,
What's up? It's just taping you, dear.
go.
I can't stop. Stop it, okay? Look what I got for Bobby. It captures the essence of the soon-to-be dead.
Just remember.
Look what I got for Bobby. Look what I got for Bobby. It captures the essence of the undead. Look what I got for Bobby. It's Serbian's embrace. It captures the essence of the dead. Look what I got for Bobby. It captures the... Look what I got for Bobby. It's Serbian's embrace. It captures the essence of the undead. Only for $15.99.
I
These are
help.
gold questions. All these are silver questions. It's driving me nuts.
Hey, whoever just moved, move.
Doing. You. Okay, now we got. Oh, that's
Then you gotta stay.
My turn. Clockwise.
9. The silver.
Oh, I can't pick it.
How does Mina know Dr. Seward, Arthur, and Quincy?
Through Lucy's letters.
Yay.
Okay.
3.
Neutral too.
Gotta go back 2 spaces.
Where I was the first time. Okay, go. I'm your turn.
That's a 5.
Silver. You have to do it because you're the one person behind it.
Who allowed Dracula to enter Dr. Seward's house?
Renfield.
Yep.
I don't want to go.
You won.
I won! Woohoo! Okay. Now cut the tape.
Escape if you have the guts. The game's only $27.99.
I escaped! Woo!
Play Escape and escape if you have the guts. The game's only $27.99.
I had the guts and I escaped. This one's for you, Bobby.
Loves me, and I will have faith in his eternal plan